want to stay healthy, you got to have a strong immune system. So the values that I learned from Quest Center for Integrative Health is being holistic, eating healthy. So I'm eating organic. My mom and I are making some stir-fried mushrooms, just seared, and lots of herbs, lots of fresh herbs. Herbs are great for immune support and just being healthy, you know. So the Quest Center for Integrative Health has instilled in me this value of self-care, self-love, community support, helping other people, and just being a stronger leader for myself and others. And it's also a sense of family for a lot of people who don't have people in their lives in this time. So Mom, she's here right now. Come on back over here. This is my mom, Jean. Big support for me, best friend and mentor. And tell us about your cooking with mushrooms here, Mom. What's up?
Well, we started with organic olive oil and put in half of an organic sweet onion. That kind of gives it a little pop. And then a variety pack of organic mushrooms, chopped those up. A little bit of fresh lemon, we squeezed over that. And Angelo has added several herbs and spices. Over here we have quinoa. We're going to serve that on the side. And in this pot, where this is just about done, we have 4 organic artichokes. We're having some organic artichokes that we're steaming here. And in the oven we have, I got these actually from a neighbor's garden, and I cut them up. They've been steaming. Now we're going to uncover them. Organic delicata squash, my favorite squash, and a Angelo organic tempeh. I marinated this last night, and just going to heat that up. And so we have a pretty big supper. It's a good thing we're hungry. Yep.
Some quinoa. Some mushrooms, variety. Lemon. Tempeh.
Did a good job on the mushrooms, Angelo.
Thank you. Looks great.
They say a colorful meal is a balanced meal. It's pretty colorful. The lemon makes the artichoke.
You try these mushrooms.
Oh, to die for.
Mm.